Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Square, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Square, start by downloading the Square app from your device's app store. Open the app once it's installed. Tap on sign up if you are a new user. Enter your email address and create a secure password. After that, provide your business name and details. Select the type of business you operate. Next, input your personal information, including your name and phone number. Verify your phone number through the code sent to you via SMS. Once verified, link your bank account by entering your account details. Review and accept Square's terms of service and privacy policy. You may be prompted to enable notifications for better updates. Next, set up your payment processing settings. Choose your preferred payment methods for transactions. Now, add your items or services to the app. Create categories to keep your offerings organized. After that, review your settings one last time to ensure accuracy. Click on the Activate button to finalize your account setup. Congratulations, your Square account is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.